Yeah, start. English is recording the call.
Am
So
I
good
visible for you?
afternoon to you. Shall I start? Huh?
Yes, now we can start.
Okay.
Hi,
Oh,
hi, good afternoon.
yeah. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. And you?
Okay.
What about you?
I'm, yeah, I'm also good. Ha- Have you eat lunch?
No, no, no.
Sometimes
I
network problem.
no. Did you? Did you
But
finish?
past Ramzan, na, I will eat evening time because I think 6:30, 6:45. So this is the past.
Okay, okay. You did you remember the last conversation? You said after 10 days you give me a surprise. So I
Yeah, yeah,
want
sure.
to know, scared and I'm little excited. What is to give me?
Okay, I will give you because this is the surprise. So
It's scared.
sorry,
Oh, I'm little scared
why?
because you said 10 days. After 10 days, you will give me surprise. What is?
Like no, because you teaching me, so I will give you a surprise. So that time I will send you your address by post. So you that time you will you will see.
Okay, okay. I will be wait. I will be wait.
Uh, yeah, yeah, sure.
Uh, you have any topic, any question for today's conversation? Because it's very important to communicate.
Yeah, yeah, but I don't have any topic because I'm a little bit speak, not properly speak.
It's
So
okay.
I'm
Problem. No,
okay.
you ask me whatever you want.
Okay.
What is problem? Yeah, whatever you can ask me. I'll try
Mhm.
to help.
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me about your journey in how to speak, how to learn English, and how to speak fluent. How you become a fluent in speaking English. So you can say,
Okay. I started my English journey
yes, yes.
after so many years after my graduation.
Mm.
I decided now it's time to learn something different, to do something different. Then I started, and when I started, I did not know anything that time at that time, and I started like a small kid, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, like this. Then but yes, I was so eager for this language. I Because my time is so less, and I want to speak fluent English. So I said to my mind, anyhow I want to speak fluent English means I want to speak fluent English. Then my mind said, no, you cannot, because my English knowledge was so low, it's very poor.
Yes, sir. Mm.
My mind said, no, you'll waste your time if you try. Then I said no. Because my heart was saying, I have belief on you, English. You can. One day you will speak fluent English. Then I started. I had belief on the girl. Still, I have belief on the girl, and I have belief on myself. And now I'm here. And speaking English fluency, it's not a big thing. After practicing so many days, you will be speak fluent English. It's not a big deal, but to continue is very important. Keep continue and keep focus, keep concentration. It's very
Yes, yes,
very
yes, yes, yes. So, but your English is very good. Okay.
important.
So, how many days will take for me to speak learning well, speak well? So, how much time?
Okay, it's depend on you. It's depend on your efforts, on your hard work. Because I started 1.5 year ago, but I was not sincere. If I will talk about my sincerity, it happened in 6 months. I think 6 months. Yeah,
It
in
will
6.
six.
But
It will six
yes,
months.
yes.
Mhm.
and it depends on you, your efforts, your hard work, and your eagerness for this language. When you will be eager, then you will start to think, and thinking is very important.
Yes, 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 yes.
Automatically.
Okay. You basically you are teaching, you know. So how much student in your like tuition?
Oh, it's very few, very few.
So how sorry, how much do you take money for one student?
It's depend on class. It's depend on class
Okay,
and subject.
okay, but you belong that Odisha,
Yes.
right? Odisha. So Odisha is a popular state now because I think I don't know name, but there is a popular person, you know, army like army type of person. So very famous person. Like name I don't know what did he name. I think I forget it. So
Uh,
Subhash
uh,
Chandra. Some,
Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose.
yeah, yeah, right, right, yeah, right. So very nice, you know. Yeah, belong to
Yes.
Odisha.
Yeah, you are right. He's
Mm,
from Odisha.
is from Odisha. So very nice person because Odisha they're working here, right? There is a lot of Odisha people labor working here. My company, So
Yes.
talk so Hindi speak totally, but there is a no speak English people. So
Okay.
talk to Odisha. So I'm asking the English night. English night.
Yes.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. English nice. So I watched the people told me, oh, English Nine, because I watched there on YouTube English Nine conversation. So very excited because labor about your things every video watching.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much this opportunity, and thank you for watching my videos, because uh, it's uh, it's a very big thing for me. In my area, according to them, I am totally useless, and I am not free to talk with in front of everyone. Whatever, I am lot of things, but if they are watching me and they know me, it's a good thing for me. Thank you so much for that.
I say, let me one question. Huh? So
Yes.
you come to have you come Mumbai? Have you ever
No,
come Mumbai?
it's a dream for me. You can say. No, I
Okay.
never uh, go there.
So I invite you come Mumbai. I'm here.
Okay, I will try. No,
So
when I will.
yeah, Mumbai is a dream like a business of in Mumbai.
Yes.
So you come to Mumbai and then we'll learn a lot. Means learn. Population every state come to Mumbai. So because too much expensive area, but to manage everything is a manage labor and stuff all overall. So Bombay is a dream state, right?
Yes.
City.
It's okay. It's okay. Like I want to tell you one thing. It's a very good. You can say it's idiom or phrases. I don't know, but it helps a lot. Life is a full box of chocolate. I think you heard. Yeah, life is full
Mm.
box of chocolate. We don't know where we will go. We don't know what we will going to get. So don't think too much and stay always full, and be happy with your present. And it's a small thing, but it has a big meaning. So I don't know where will I go, and I don't know where any single day I can go Mumbai or not. But I am happy you welcomed me, and thank you for that.
Because yes, yes. Because Yeah, yeah. Every people are coming in Mumbai, lot of learn. Oh, everything is here. Here. So a lot of person sometime belong to rich family, belong to poor family. So automatically will I think I don't know how to say, but forget it. But automatically increase the monies, all things increase, but automatically because this is the business hub.
Yes.
Is a Mumbai, not other city, other state. But all people come to Mumbai and a lot of fun money. So that's why it's a business hub. But I like it because I have been living in for 10 years. So I like it, Mumbai. So
You,
they giving all things, giving me government
okay,
provide me.
you are living with your family?
I'm living alone. My brother living in with family in Mumbai. So
Okay.
there is a 1 BH flat my brother have. So I manage. But okay, can you one thing and give me because how can I practice because I'm nervous today because today is a Ramzan, so I'm very nervous. So you
Oh,
have a trick. How can I speak English fluent easily, automatically speak English?
okay.
So you can
Uh,
you can say,
I can understand you. You are nervous and you have a little bit fear because you are thinking you don't know English. You are able to understand me, and I am able to understand you, and we are talking non-stop in English language. That's why I don't thinking you don't know English. You are thinking you don't know English. That's why you are feeling nervous and you have fear. And whenever you are starting to speak, don't see other people. You said my influence is good. Don't need to see me. How am I speaking? I know whatever I am speaking and how am I speaking, it's for me, not for you. Can you hear me?
yeah, yeah,
Yes, it's not for you, it's for no, it's for me. So whenever you are speaking in front of anyone, don't care who is anyone, only see it yourself, not other people. Whenever
yes, I,
if you see other people, then you will lose your confidence and you will feel
yeah,
fear, definitely. So don't see other people and
yeah,
don't care you are speaking in good English, yeah, bad English, yeah, your pronunciation, yeah, your grammar is good or not, yeah, you have more sentence to speak or not. Don't care. You are able to
yes.
speak. You was not, but now you are able. Can you understand?
So because speak English front of them, so increase myself day by day. So okay, nice. But okay, but if, okay, now I don't know how to say, but okay, do you have any topic? Because I don't have any topic, so you can say anything asking me.
Okay, how do you practice your English every single day?
Okay, so I'm using another platform, Just Talk. So I think two people and three people. I every day practice front of them in 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 days, 10 minutes. So only because
You are
they yeah.
I mean, both of our, you are all are talking. You are correcting your mistakes.
No, correct me because this is the same like because front of them learning English, I am learning also learning, but not correct me and not correct him because learn and every person, every people connected are this app just talk, so every people learning, so not correct another person and not correct me. So his all they both they are learning English. So that's why as a not correct me and not correct them. So all people are learning. So as a Josh talk is a because then I provide just provide the communication skill and talk to each other. There is a environment giving. So helpful English learning time.
Okay. So do you read?
Sorry.
Do you read books?
Yeah, I don't get so much time because my duty time from 9 to 6 time. I traveling 3 hours every day by train. 3 hours.
Okay, you keep a book with yourself and read it. When you said you're traveling 3 hour, you have time, much time to read because reading is
Because
important.
one Mumbai local train, with a very crowd in the morning and evening time. So yeah, because studying in the train travels and like 1.5 hours
Through
from
train.
home to office, back to home, 1.5 hours. So mix both them and 3 hours every day
Okay,
travel.
no. So how much hour you are listening?
Listening that if I watch movies and I watch the conversation videos here. So 30 minutes and 40 minutes every day I'm listening only, not reading, not writing, only listening.
So okay, I can understand you don't have much time to writing, but reading is important because it's very important to your speaking style. It's because speaking style is important, how you are speaking uh, yeah, you read every single day for 10 minutes, not too much. If you don't have much time, then 5 minutes. Read every single day. It will be helpful more.
Okay, he's call me general manager, so
Okay.
I have to leave.
Yes,
So
perfect.
okay, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Tomorrow I will joining tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Nice to talk with you. Okay, bye. Because then a
Sure.
manager called me, so the
Yes, yes.
disconnected. Okay, thank you so much.